Bienvenidos a Mexico City. Originally, the Aztec built what is now Mexico City. They built it over a lake called Lago de Texcoco. But many years later, Spanish conquistadors founded what is now Mexico City in 1521. Today, Mexico City is 571 square miles with a population of 8,555,000 people. It's located in the Valley of Mexico with an elevation of 8,000 feet and is the capital of Mexico. It is also the largest city in all of North America. The Roman Catholic Church impacts Mexico City's culture, inhabitants, and architecture throughout the city. Now let's go and explore the city. First, we're going to go to La Plaza de Constitucion, which is the largest public square in Latin America. Another name for the plaza is Zocalo. It is also known as the heart of Mexico City. To the east is the Presidential Palace of Mexico, better known as Palacio Nacional. It has been the palace for the ruling class of Mexico since the Aztec Empire. It is where the President of Mexico lives today. To the north is the Metropolitan Cathedral, or La Catedral Metropolitana. Besides its religious significance, it has 5 centuries worth of Mexican art and architecture. Before this, an Aztec temple was there, but when the Spanish took over, they changed it into a cathedral. This is one of the largest and oldest churches in all of Latin America and has 16 chapels inside, numerous religious relics, and crypts. To the south of the plaza are important government offices. To the west is Portal de Mercaderes, which has amazing shops, fancy hotels, and great food. The next place that we are going to go to is Blue House, where Frida Kahlo lived all of her life. In Spanish, it is called Casa Azul for its vibrant blue color on the outside. The inside is now a museum, but still has almost everything that was in it when Frida was alive, plus numerous paintings of hers and Diego Rivera's. Next, we are off to Xochimilco. In English, it means where flowers grow, because of its famous floating gardens, Chunampas. To see the flowers up close, I recommend taking a colorful flat-bottomed boat called a trajinera. The canal runs all the way through Xochimilco and allows you to see all of the floating gardens. Lastly, we are going to go to the National Museum of Anthropology in Mexico City. It has tons of Mayan artifacts, Mexican art, and other historical pieces from Mexico. One, if not the most famous artifact in the museum, is the Aztec Sunstone, which was actually found in the Metropolitan Cathedral. It was used in rituals such as sacrifices for the Aztecs. I hope you had a great time exploring Mexico City and all of the wonderful things that it had to offer. Adios! Okay.